1 pan lemon Parmesan pasta. For this 1 pan recipe, you will need lemons, butter, garlic, salt and black pepper, pasta, heavy cream, Parmesan cheese, and parsley if desired. Using a vegetable peeler, cut 3 wide strips of peel from one of the lemons, avoiding as much of the white pith as you can. Zest and juice both lemons. Chop the garlic. In a wide pan, melt 1 tablespoon of the butter over medium heat, and then saute the garlic until fragrant and just beginning to turn golden, so about a minute. And then add 3 cups water, the lemon strips, and salt and pepper. Carefully add the pasta to the pan. It won't fit at first, but as the water heats, you want to bring it to a boil, and as the water heats, gently press on the pasta to submerge it into the water. This could take up to 5 minutes. By the time the pasta is fully submerged, the water will likely be boiling. Boil, stirring almost continuously to keep it from sticking for about 7 minutes. I found that stirring with a fork worked best to keep the pasta strands from sticking together. After about 7 minutes, the pasta should be almost al dente. At that point, stir in the heavy cream. Continue cooking and stirring with a fork for another 3 minutes or until the pasta is al dente. Turn off the heat and stir in the remaining tablespoon of butter. Once the butter has melted, add as much or as little of the lemon juice as you like, and I used about 3 tablespoons in the sauce. Add the lemon zest and the Parmesan cheese. Stir everything to combine, and then cover and let stand for 5 to 8 minutes or until the sauce has thickened and all of the flavors have married together. Serve the pasta in shallow bowls, garnished with additional black pepper, lemon zest, Parmesan, and a sprinkle of parsley if desired. Enjoyed this video? For more videos and recipes, please visit us at arkansasonline.com/cooking.